Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix DirectX setup could not download the file. Please retry later error. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So first of all, we need to check the administration status. So for that, you need to enter into your control panel, search control panel on the search bar, and enter into the user account. Again, user account, and here it shows our profile and it's in the administrator. If in case you had the standard account, you need to change the account type and then you need to continue. In our case, it's good to go. So if in case you had a standard account, you need to enter the change your account type and you need to change account type. After that, you can proceed with your steps. So once it's done, please close it. So our next step, the second step, is to turn off antivirus or firewall temporarily. So for that, you need to search firewall and network protection and open the firewall and network protection. Once you open, you may see the private network. Please enter into the private network and need to turn off Microsoft Defender firewall. So once you disabled, please enter into the virus and threat protection and enter into the manage setting, and you need to disable all the settings. And please make sure guys, it's only for temporary solution. Once the setup is done, you need to enable the firewall again for your Windows security. So once it's done, our third step is to click Windows R and type appwiz.cpl to check whether the framework is installed in our PC or not. So these may cause the error sometimes, so please make sure you have the .NET framework. So if you don't have the framework, .NET framework in the sense, it's no need to worry. Just enter into the CMD and please copy the prompt in the description and you may get the .NET framework over there, or else you can either enter into your browser and you can install the .NET framework. So here I'm just showing to install the .NET framework. So for that, you need to enter into your CMD and run the program as an administrator mode. Yeah, over here you need to type dism space / online space / enable future space / future, which is on the description, which is enabling the future, and it automatically done installing. So please copy the prompt in the description, place it over there to install. So our next step is to enter into our browser and then we need to reinstall the repair.net framework tool. So for that, you need to type repair.net framework and hit enter. Please select the first link and over there please click the link as shown on the video, .NET framework repair tool. We are going to run the repair tool to troubleshoot the framework and the issue. So once it got downloaded, please enter into the folder and then double tap to run it. Once you run, it automatically troubleshoot the error. So after that, what you are going to do is we are going into the CMD again as run as an administrator mode to flush the DNS. So please type ipconfigure / flush DNS and then it got successfully flushed. So after that, netsh reset winsock and hit enter. Again you need to type netsh winsock reset, yeah, and then type exit. Now it automatically restart the computer in order to confirm it. So after that, you need to enter into your browser and you need to download the DirectX end user runtime. So over here you need to click the second link, DirectX end user runtime. So the first link is a web installer, so you need to click the second one. So once you click, you can get to the download page. Over there, please select your language and then hit download. It automatically download on your background. So meanwhile, I'm going to create a folder on the desktop to extract the setup file. So I think it will got downloaded over there. Yeah, it's downloaded. Now enter into the folder and double tap to run it, or you can extract the folder, extract the setup, and then click browse to select the folder location or file location, and then click OK. Once you're done, the DirectX setup is on the new folder where you selected. So please scroll down and select the setup, DX setup. Double tap the DX setup to launch it. Hit next, next, and then finish it. So this is how, guys, we need to fix the DirectX setup issue. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe to YouTube.